welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. Again, I know I'm hella belated, but we've got our January box here. And I've had it since January. I'm just now getting around to it because I suck. So, anyways, we've got red tissue paper this time, I guess because of Chinese New Year. And no, I'm not being racist. I say it for a reason. So, anyways, we've got our little booklet here. Let's see. So, 2020 vision, new year, new you. Forget that silliness. How about new year, same glorious you, but with a fresh box of beauty innovations to enjoy. Sure, some of these products might just reveal glowing skin that had gone into hiding, or the almost brow-grazing lashes that you haven't seen in a while, or the lustrous hair that perhaps took some time off in 2019, but the only beauty resolution this year, as far as we're concerned, bring some great new discoveries into your routine every month and celebrate your already gorgeous self along the way. Let's see here. So there was two mascaras you could have gotten. You could have either gotten the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara or the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So I'm only going to read for the one that I got. I got the top one, which I'm super happy about because I love that name. Excuse me. The Lights Camera Lashes. So that is right here. And if it actually produces those results, I will be fucking amazed. So, 4-in-1 mascara. So, says absolutely nothing about it. But the weird thing with this, it comes in like this little pouch, and it just lives in that. That's how you use it. I'm like, oh, okay. I've never had a mascara that works like this before. It feels like it's vinyl. It's kind of weird. I was like, does this slide off? Is this just like a sheath? Like, what do we do here? But no, it stays put. It's part of it. It's like, oh, alright. Well, I'm not putting on any right now, but just so you can see the bristles on here. Looks pretty darn decent. I mean, it's Tarte, so you know it's not going to be bad. So let me just put that back on for right now so it doesn't dry out or anything in the meantime. Put it back in the box too, for the time being. So, I have basic mascara requirements. No wacky wands and no clumping. Sounds like me. This one perfectly fits my needs while adding a nice dose of volume. 2 coats in, I look like I could fly away. If you're going through a breakup, be warned, it's not waterproof. Damn. But if there is no crying in your immediate future, unscrew the wand, pull out, and apply for fluttery drama. Price point on this is $23, so I got it in this box that I think I paid like $16 for, so that's not bad. And that's just this one thing that was full size. You can buy it at tartecosmetics.com. But yeah, let's see here. I would have been really upset if I got the other one when this was an option, because that one is for low-key length. I would have been really upset. Let's see. Next thing in here. Can I find it? So, this is another one of those things where I think... Wait. No, I did get both of these. Okay. So, this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It's just like a little sample size, obviously. Where is thingy? Oh, it's on this side. Okay. I was like, why isn't this opening? It's just a tiny little tube of it, so I don't know that I'm really going to be able to get much benefit out of it in how few uses that probably is. That could be like a single use for all I know. Hollywood's 2-minute facial. Kate's best-selling exfoliator is infused with scrubbing exfoliants and fruit enzymes to reveal smoother, brighter, healthier-looking complexion after just one use. Which is about all you'll get out of it is probably one use. Let's be real. You can use it in the AM or the PM, use once or twice a week, apply to wet face, massage for 30 seconds, leave on for up to 2 minutes, rinse and gently pat dry. For sensitive skin, leave on for less than 1 minute. Okay. So let's read what it says about it now. That's why it looks like full size, by the way. So, this cultish exfoliator arrived on my radar about 3 years ago when I stumbled on a YouTube video about it. Just a few days later, I found one in the office and have been a fan of it ever since. The grainy paste works as a mask, scrub, and a peel all at the same damn time. In addition to superfine granules that slough away dead skin, it contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. I like to use Exfoliate when my face is in need of some help, usually once a week. And the tingle is real. If you have particularly sensitive skin, tread lightly before you know how you will react. It's especially wonderful at keeping my skin smooth and calm in the face of a breakout. And the scent! It smells more like an herbal remedy shop than a pricey skincare product. It's not cheap. $175 for a 5-ounce bottle. Jesus Christ. $75 for 1.7 ounces. What size is this? Good God. 0.25 ounces. Okay, so can't even do the math off of that, but damn! Even this is probably worth some money right now. But did I mention the gorgeous glow you get? That is fucking insane. You can buy it at Sephora if you feel like shelling out that much money for skincare, but I'm a broke bitch, so I will enjoy my little sample size, and that'll be that, because I don't have that kind of money to throw at one product. Whew. Okay. So next thing is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream, which, ironically, mine is not in a jar like that. Mine is also in a little tube. I looked at it already. It's even itty bittier than the last one. It's cute, but like, goddamn. Like, I pay more for this than I do for Ipsy, and I feel like I get smaller sizes across the board. Philosophy, live with optimism, renew with hope. Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer, which is good. Let's see here. Doesn't really tell us much, so we'll just read the thingy here. Never have I ever been so confused when opening a skincare product. You see, the moisturizer upon first glance looked more or less like blueberry sorbet. Wait, I'll back up. After a sweaty berries boot camp class, I washed my face using the communal cleanser in the locker room, then grabbed this Philosophy water cream. I paused when I saw the blueberry sorbet situation, but this wasn't the time or place for a deeper investigation, so, as I would with any moisturizer, I scooped out a dollop and patted it on my face. Immediately it melted from a fluffy whip to a watery fluid. A few moments later, my skin was plumper, dewier, and more hydrated. The cream felt so good, I went back for some more and slathered it down my neck and onto my chest. I would have kept applying, but I had to get dressed for work. Price for the full size is $39. You can buy it at philosophy.com. That at least is doable. I mean, it's still on the very high end of what I'm willing to pay, but I mean, depending how well it works. That one at least is a maybe potentially one day kind of product. So, anyways. Next thing in here. Wait, did I miss it? No? Okay. Next thing in here is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. I'm not sure if this is full-sized or not. It might be. Kind of looks like the little Vaseline lip therapy tins, or the Carmex tins. It just pops right open. Looks like this inside. Little bit leery because the picture is a bit lighter yellow than this, whereas this looks like freaking marigold over here, but smells really citrusy. That's what I'm guessing is where the color is coming from. So for now, I'm going to stick it back in a little tiny box that it barely fits in. I don't think I closed it quite tight enough is the problem. Tibetan-inspired beauty. A lightweight, creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lips. Antioxidants work to protect against sun damage and lessen the appearance of lines. Smells of freshly brewed rose orange tea. Our lip restoration is made of plant-based, pure ingredients and free of mineral oil. Ritual, wear on its own or prior to applying lip colors. Apply a thicker layer before bed as an overnight lip treatment. Caution, patch testing recommended. Contact physician if irritation occurs. For external use only. Keep out of reach children. Organic, clean, cruelty-free. It's also paraben-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, natural organic, and wild harvested. Okay. So now we will read the thing. I have my own personal weather girl. Her name is Eczema, and she tells me exactly what I can expect from the forecast. Is humidity low, I'll get an itchy hands alert. Frigid temps, dry patches ahead. Wind from the north, I'll know. With lips so chapped it hurts to laugh. For me, a balm needs to be multi-purpose. I use them constantly, everywhere. A Car's Skin Pure Lip Restoration is one of the few that has actually made it to purse status because it reliably soothes my cracked lips without feeling like a thick ointment. Almond and castor seed oil are the main hydrating ingredients, while beeswax locks in moisture, and its light citrus smell comes from an orange peel oil packed with antioxidants. I dab it on rough patches all day, but always reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. By the time I decide what lip color I'm going to wear that day, it's fully absorbed, leaving a nice smooth base behind. Price, $30. This dinky little thing? That's why I'm like, is this full size? It doesn't mention a full-size version. That's what makes me think this is full size. That's worth $30. My god. How are you people spending your money? Wow. Okay. Next thing is the BeatleBabe C12 Dual Drop Serum. It is age-defying and deep hydrating. A blend of BeatleBabe CG, stabilized vitamin C, and peptides reduces signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. A new upgrade of our vitamin C dual serum, skincare finalist of 2018 Cosmoprof Bologna Awards. BeatleBabe C12 Dual Drop Serum helps skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. BeatleBabe C12 Dual Drop Serum delivers a powerful proprietary blend of BeatleBabe CG, stabilized vitamin C, and peptides to help reduce signs of aging, brighten the skin, and provide deep hydration to improve dryness and overall skin complexion. Directions: apply an appropriate amount to the face and neck, gently tap into the skin until it's well absorbed. Tips: gently apply an appropriate amount from the inside to the outside of the face. Use twice a day after applying a toner. Okay. Let's see it. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a little eyedropper and everything. Oh my goodness, this is maybe the first time I actually have a little skincare thing that has the eyedropper. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I should not be. I'm like, I see these all the time in skincare routines, yet I've never actually had one that requires the dropper. I'm like, ah, I have one. It's probably just a sample size, but I have one. Oh my goodness. Okay, well for now, so I don't screw it up by playing with it, I'm going to put it back in the box. One of these days, I do need to invest in a toner, no doubt, because I keep seeing mentions of them. All I want in my beauty life is glowing, dewy skin, so I keep 2 ingredients in heavy rotation, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This serum conveniently has both. 2 weeks in, I'm in love. My skin is brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized, but best of all, I've noticed a significant change in its texture. The vitamin C and peptides help to promote new collagen, while the hyaluronic acid keeps moisture sealed in. Price is $62! Good lord! What? Apparently, if I had done this on time, you could have used Allure 20 as a checkout code to get a full size of it for $9.90. That would have been the way to get it, but again, I am lame. I didn't do that. I miss out. So, I would have potentially gotten the full size for that. That sounds pretty darn decent. Oh well. So, last thing in here is the Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. This makes me nervous. Color and heat protectant, paraben free. A light reflecting hair oil mist for instantly smooth, wow factor, color, and shine. Lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. I can guarantee you that is not going to work out for me, and I'll have to do it while it's wet and then dry it. Because if I wait till it's dry, it just ends up looking like a grease trap when I do any type of hair shine spray on it. Uses grape stem cells. Okay. avoid contact with the eyes. So, this is definitely not the full-size bottle, because the full-size looks like a damn test tube beaker. But the full size is only $16, so that's actually very reasonable compared to like the rest of everything in here. So I went blonde last summer, and it's made my hair drier than it's ever been. And while the bleach has mostly grown out, the shine never really came back. I was hoping for some magic from the serum and its buzzy ingredient list: grape stem cells, hyaluronic acid. The first time around, I followed the directions. Lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. That made my hair a little greasy, though. So I decided to go off script. I spritzed the silicone and oil formula on my hands, worked it into my hair from the ends up, stopping halfway to my roots. That did the trick, mirror-like shine achieved. Well, once again, if I do it when it's wet, that will work. If I do it on dry hair, it'll just end up looking greasy and separate and be nasty. So, anyways, that is what I got in this box. It's not bad at all. I am trying to just get everything collected back up here and back in the box. There we go. So, anywho, in case you were wondering what came in the January one, that's what came in the January one. So, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.